Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glorious. In today's video, I want to touch on something very important because we are in the new year. By the way, Happy New Year. I hope 26 is good to you. I mean, we're still in the beginning, but you know, you can always tell by the way the things are starting, or if you're someone who will wait until something good starts happening. Also, I just hope that this year will be good to you as it will be to me by just believing. So, I want to talk to someone who kind of feel bored because they feel like last year they were not able to accomplish most of the things they had said by the beginning of 2025, and right now they do not even want to involve themselves in that lit, lit writing that lit look cringy right now. But allow me to convince you otherwise. First of all, it is very important to look back and realize that even if you are not able to complete most of the goals you had set in the previous year, the truth of the matter is you were able to complete others, some that you didn't even plan for. So it is important to have a gratitude heart, to be grateful for the things that you are able to accomplish, because those few things that you are able to accomplish can be a good uh, way to help you to accomplish the others that you are not able to accomplish. So I kind of feel like sometimes when you set a goal, your mind will start working on it. So if you did not accomplish it by the end of the year 2025, it means that your mind is still finding the solution to get to there in this coming year. So it is very important that you continue working on them if you still are concerned about those goals that you did set in 2025 and you are not able to accomplish. I have been listening to to great people who have been able to achieve great things in life, and you realize most of them were not able to achieve those goals, to achieve those great things that we all admire by the set time that they had set. The truth of the matter is, most of them, the time that they had set, it took probably even double that time. But because they were so much committed to achieving that goal, they had to wait. Because in waiting, it is when you get mentally prepared, it is when you get to connect the right dot until you get there. So I want to encourage you and just tell you that you are not a failure, given that you are not able to accomplish the goals you had set in the previous year. If you work on them and set other goals now, you can combine with the ones that you were not able to accomplish last year and be committed. You will actually achieve all that. This new year, it is very important. Something I have realized with myself. If you have several goals for the year, do not wait for February and March. Just have the smart thing. The one they say your goals need to be smart. You see the one they say specific. Your goal need to be specific, measurable. It got to be attainable. You see that all that. So and start working on your goals. Don't wait until when you are ready or when you feel ready. Just start working on it little by little. And by the end of the year, you'll have been able to achieve a lot more than someone who is waiting for the perfect time to work on them. So, this is just to wish you a happy New Year 2026 and just to encourage you and tell you that there is so much you can do. You have so much potential. Do not allow the year to go into waste. And so ensure you hit the subscribe button if you did learn something or you felt encouraged. Tell me in the comment section the three most important goals that you want to ensure that you achieve in this new year 2026. And ensure you like the video. Bye.